Hello, and welcome back to Ajayastromoneyguru. Today, on the 15th of April 2024, we are diving into the latest developments in the cotton market across North India. Cotton prices have been on a downward trajectory, marking the fifth consecutive trading day of decline in key markets of Punjab, Haryana, and Rajasthan. The primary reason? Spinning mills are showing reduced demand, causing a ripple effect across the region. Last Friday, ICE cotton futures mirrored this trend, with the May 2024 contract shedding 0.75 cents to close at 82.62 cents per pound. But there's a twist. Despite this setback, there's been a slight rally in early electronic trading today. Global cotton prices have been on a consistent decline, making exports from our domestic market less profitable. Adding to the pressure, multinational companies have been ramping up sales within the country, further dampening prices. Compounding the issue is the almost depleted stock of kapas, particularly in key northern states. Reports suggest a deterioration in the quality of incoming goods, painting a challenging picture for local traders. Despite these challenges, kapas and cottonseed prices have remained relatively stable in the region. Today's arrival figures, though slightly reduced, indicate the ongoing flow of goods into the market. Let's talk numbers. Kapas prices ranged between 6,600 rupees to 6,900 rupees per quintal in Punjab and Haryana, while Upper Rajasthan saw prices hovering between 6,700 rupees and 7,000 rupees per quintal. Cottonseed prices mirrored this diversity, reflecting the varying dynamics of supply and demand. The NCDEX mirrored this downward trend, with April 2024 futures for kapas declining by 7 rupees and 50 paise to 1,496 rupees per 20 kg. Now, let's zoom into spot delivery prices across different regions. In Punjab, prices ranged from 5,825 rupees to 5,850 rupees per mound, while Haryana reported prices between 5,725 rupees to 5,825 rupees per mound. Upper Rajasthan showed a wider range, from 5,425 rupees to 6,025 rupees per mound. Interestingly, Lower Rajasthan saw a slight increase in prices. That's all for today's update on cotton prices across North India. Stay tuned to Ajayastromoneyguru for more insights and analysis on commodities. Until next time, happy trading.